Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to solve the problem of the BET365 authentication app not working. Alright, first of all, I want to clarify that this is something we've managed to do that might be useful for you, and well, the process is pretty simple. First, I recommend uninstalling the app if you already have it installed. After that, we go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store we're going to search for the BET365 Authenticator app. Here it is, and we're going to tap on Open or Reinstall, okay? If that's the case, we reinstall it, download it again, and then tap on Open. After that, if it still doesn't work as expected, what we are going to meticulously do is proceed to our phone's primary settings menu, and within those comprehensive settings, we are specifically going to carefully look for the applications, okay? Or we can also search directly for the apps from here by typing BET365 Authenticator. We will type it in here, and the fundamental idea is that we can effectively delete what would be considered the internal data of this particular application. In this particular case, if I carefully tap right here, I can easily click on this option, and a comprehensive option then appears to completely erase all of the stored information from that specific application, so you can then log in once again, and it can subsequently work properly and efficiently. And well, that's something that, as I mentioned, we think could be helpful for you. And well, if this helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.